All right, good afternoon, everybody. Today we want to talk about current events and how they affect the stock market. Today the market is up about 350 points, and everybody says, why is the market up? Well, President Trump announced that he was going to meet with the Chinese Premier Xi next week. And so the markets took that as good news that perhaps there's going to be a break in the impasse with the, quote, trade embargo, the tariffs that the United States is imposing upon China. And if that actually does come to fruition, if there is some negotiations and positive negotiations, the market's going to see that as a major plus, a major impetus, and it's going to spur a buying panic, if you would, to the upside, which is always good too. People like to see the market go up, and the market really has gotten hit real hard when those tariffs, when those sanctions were imposed. President Trump did the same thing with Mexico, and initially the market's reactions were terrible. And several days later, when the Mexican president said he was going to agree to the demands that that the United States imposed upon Mexico, the markets had a nice recovery. You know, world events, and we are a world economy now. Whatever you think about the stock market, look at it as a world market. And world events really shape and affect the stock market, affect your stock positions, your 401k, your mutual fund, even your bond funds. And the markets don't like change unless the change is for the better. You know, whenever there's something hanging over the markets, people tend to move to the sidelines. They don't like uncertainty. They don't like to lose money. We've all had that happen to us. We all get worried about it, and it becomes a problem. That's why the hybrid indexed annuity that we talk about an awful lot really makes a lot of sense for a certain portion of your money. One of those buckets of money, if you would, when you put it into an indexed annuity, you don't have to worry about the roller coaster ride of the market. You don't always have to worry about those world events because you know you're never going to lose money with that particular investment. So we're going to talk to you. We'd love the opportunity to analyze your portfolio, to show you, to help you determine what percentage of that portfolio should be in the market and what portion of those funds should be safe and not at risk. Thanks very much, ladies and gentlemen.